Okay, this is my RV. Our IV, my IV. You see, it's a Voltage. Okay, it's a Dutchmen Voltage toy hauler. All right. Model 3914. All on YouTube, I could not find not one of how to do the floors on your slide outs. The only thing I did find that was helpful is that right there. And those I got to make sure that they're on. And this right here, these you could not see because they were under this right here, this tar paper type stuff, or this plastic. So you couldn't see them, they were covered up. So you got those right there, 1, 2 there, and you got these right here on the side, which were underneath this part here. And you could not see anything right here, anything. Now you had your holes for your pieces right here that held up right this way, but that was it. Or no, I'm sorry, they held up this way from this side out. But there was no, you couldn't even tell that there was screw holes. You couldn't see anything. But this floor was rotted all the way through here. This right here. You see that this is kind of wet right here too. We're hoping we can dry that out and it'll be fine, because it's no further up than that. And we think it was because that window was left open when it rained. But this is what I'm replacing. And I'll have to do it in reverse from how you would do it coming out, because like I said, evidently nobody has one, or doesn't know how to videotape it or whatever. Yeah, I'm a little irritated because nobody else did it that's better qualified for it than I am. But this right here, your plywood or plyboard, I press particle wood. I would rather use plywood because it's stronger than particle wood. But it goes up underneath here, just one whole piece. So we will be back at it again.